up for the entire HDFC family and these wonderful, wonderful 20 years.
It's an amazing feeling to have all of you here today this evening. Please enjoy this evening.
It gives me extremely proud to say that we are not only number one bank of the country, we are one of the best organizations of the country.
It is very jazzy. I really liked the way the performances are being done. I like the garments, I like the fashion.
HDFC is very innovative bank, which I think they are moving 2 steps ahead from the other market player.
All of you are the biggest inspiration that motivates us for doing better and better every day.
अभी ये शायद देश का नंबर 1 बैंक बन गया है बिकॉज इनकी जो टीम है वो बड़ी फोकस्ड है.
Oh, I love the catwalk and the dance, of course, and the music that is still going on. It's wonderful.
I enjoyed very much. It's a wonderful, excellent program.